Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing fine. Me, I'm fine, thank you. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your locally hosted n8n AI agent to Google Sheets to have powerful automation. So we are going to build a workflow, an example of workflow, where you can ask a question to the AI in English, let's say because our data is in English, and it will fetch and summarize data from your Google Sheet. So it will get data from here, and depending on the question you ask, it will answer you automatically. So let's dive in. So there it is. So let's say you have a data. For example, this is about a car sales data. Like as you can say customer, the car model, the car make, the year, the price. So yeah, so let's start. For starting, we have to create a chat trigger. Wait, yes, let's create a chat trigger. So after that, we're gonna add the AI agent. So this is our AI agent. So we're gonna give him a chat model. So me, I'm gonna use Gemini. I already have it set it up with my API key. So you can use Olama as I show in the last video how you can use your locally model if you want Olama or even ChatGPT, GPT or DeepSeek, whatever you want. So me, I'm gonna use Gemini. And for the tool, that's why we're gonna give them give access to the Google Sheet. So we're gonna add sheet tool. So for us, what do we get? We want to get a row, and this is my credential. So in my last video, I show how to get a credential from Google Sheets. So if you don't know how to do it, you can feel free and go watch the video how to do it. And I will select my car sales dummy data, and what is the sheet? Sheet number 1. This the data is selected, and as you can see now, it's fine. And now we need to do something else here. Okay, yeah, we have to precise to the system like what is his job, what he's going to do. And for example, here I already have it set it up here, so don't worry, I will put everything in the link. If you want to even the workflow, I will put it in the link, and you will be able to get access to it. So here, as you can see, it say you are an AI assistant connected to Google Sheets, and tell him like my Google Sheets, what are the columns it have, just customer names, car model, and I'm telling like he will get example of question like this, and he will have to answer. For example, show the top 5 most expensive cars sold, and something like that. So after that, it's all set up, and now we can ask a question like, what are the, let me first save it. What are the customers that bought a Tesla? Let's use Tesla. I love Tesla. For example, you can see here who bought Tesla. Let's go and see so that we see if it's very accurate. The answer gonna give it accurate. So we have Daniel Clark. You can see we have Daniel Clark, and we have also Lisa Williams. So and go and do enter, and there we first understood the question and go get the answer from the sheet and give us the answer. As you can see, the customer who bought a Tesla are Lisa Williams and Daniel Clark. So we can even ask what was the price of the Tesla bought by, let's say, Daniel Clark. Let's see if it will give it. Let's try. So it's getting data information, and let's see if it will give the answer. 29,050. Well, yes, Daniel Clark, it is 29,000 and 1950, as you can see it. So the answers are accurate. So yes, you can see now it's working. Thank you for watching the video. That's it. You have just connected local agent to the Google Sheets for the full data automation. No API needed, no extra cost. Yeah, and if this tutorial helps you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because in the next video we are connecting the setup to even more tools and make bigger project. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.